Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a fanfold shirt. To begin, I'm laying my shirt out flat, smoothing out some wrinkles. I've taken a washable marker that I have and tied a piece of kite string around it. And I'm just going to draw an arc on my shirt so that I have something to fanfold. I'm tying the shirt up with some kite string, and after I get it fully fan folded, I'm going to set it aside and let it dry. Okay, so my shirt is totally dry, and so I'm going to begin dyeing it. Normally, I dye my fan folds with ice dye, but today I decided to do something different, and I decided to apply the dye differently. I'm going to apply the dye in diagonal stripes all the way across the shirt, and then repeat the pattern on the back of the shirt. So for this shirt, I've mixed up some Dharma colors. I have hot pink that I'm beginning with, followed by Grape, and then I already had some Mermaid's Dream and some Jade mixed up, and I've just blended those two together to make a new color, and that's my third color. Flipping the shirt over and doing the same pattern on the other side. I want to make sure that I get it really well saturated, so I'm applying quite a bit of dye. Alright, so here's what our shirt ended up looking like. Thank you guys for watching.